Alright, what's up everybody? This is Bowman Blaster 2-box random team 33. Superfractor autograph bounty is at 1075. It has to be a super auto. It cannot be the platinum paper 1/1 auto. Good luck, guys. Dice roll gotta be ace deuce or higher. We are going 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breaking Rob on the bottom. Nas up top. $20 bet Nas gets the Lakers. I promise it's not rigged. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, I jinxed it. Nuggets up top. The NIL men's. Breaking Rob who gets a massive spot right at the end there. Thank you, Rob. Good luck. Oh, the Consoleur with the Pelicans. Okay. Mavericks to Nas. Lakers to fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, I'm not going to front. I thought that was going to go to Nas. If a LeBron James auto comes out, he might murder me, but you might love me. Good luck. Spurs to 10 on a one-spotter. Wow. Okay. Good luck, guys. Oh, Monin with the Sixers as well. Let's go. This is the last box of hobby as well, guys. We haven't seen a big auto out of this or anything. Nothing crazy. Hope to see something here. If not, it's a fresh case on number 34. Fresh case of hobby on 34. Pretty much Shea. You got Jalen Williams, you got Thomas Sorbert. Or you got both Jalen Williams, you got Sorbert. Who else you got? Primarily Shea is your big one. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's start with hobby. Let's see if we can hit something massive out of hobby. Caleb Wilson. All right. All right, Nas. All right. Second one. I think we just hit one yesterday, too, if I'm not mistaken. Really nicely centered, too. Maybe just a hair to the left. Nice Cooper flag. Red rookie. Purple rookie autograph for Utah. Ooh, fourth quarter. Let's go. I told you we didn't hit anything in this case at all. Nice purple of Ace Bailey on the color match. 207 of 250 for fourth quarter. Dibenza. Orange Shimmer for the Hornets. Mark Williams to 25. Damn. If that was Knippel, I was ready to jump for joy there. Refractor of Smickle. Nice. And you get the Knippel. There it is. Am I finally breaking my Knippel curse? Cooper flag. Am I breaking the Knippel curse? True Orange. NIL autograph. True Orange. Oh, that's sick. Nice crump for the NIL females. Fourth quarter, have a break on the True Orange. Very sick. That's only, it's not, we're not even done with hobby. Sick hobby box. Super sick hobby box. Best part is we have another fresh case coming up. Mini diamonds of Tingus Pingus. Jimmy Buckets. Whew! What a box! Rock Stars to 199 now of Knippel. What a box. What a box. What a break we're having. VJ Edgecombe now for Monin. Let's go on the red rookie. Dariana Alexander. This is one of the better 2 boxes we've seen. Carter Bryant on the refractor. Yanni. Colin Murray on the true blue paper. First auto is Ulbrich on the base. Okay, that was interesting. Speckle auto of Derek Dixon for the NIL men's spot. Breaking Rob. Ooh. Ooh. 1 of 1 black John Blackwell. Oh. This one wins the most mangoed card I've ever seen come out of a pack for Bowman. That thing is mangoed. Sorry, Breaking Rob. What's up, Spade? No, we can't see it. Spade, I've been trying. It is nearly impossible to get secondary right now. We even checked on like Dave and Adams like that. I can't even find one. Flag. Trying to get one. We're trying to get them. Richardson. That and then the top your Bowman blasters. What's up, Trev? Been a very good break so far, though. Very, very, very good break so far. Nice, yeah. Everyone was telling me about it. Usually, if you guys tell me something's like beyond loaded, I definitely look into it. And yeah, they hit like crazy. The blasters, you got the SPs that come out a lot more frequent as well, from my understanding. So, yeah, for sure. Right now, we're kind of in a weird period because right now I'm waiting. There's not really a lot of new retail stuff coming out. So, like, I may even need to look into, like, Series 2 and... You know, I don't know about... What's up, Ozzy? Good morning. I don't know about 12K. I mean, long term, yeah. I did not. I was mid-break. What did you get? You still on that epic heater, my friend? Maluk on the red rookie. Gillespie. Oh, sick. Get that to grading right away. We'll be slopping. A true black to 10. That's massive. Cam Jones. Refractor autograph of Kobe Brea. Ooh, speaking of true black, that's a true black. It's an NIL. It's going to either breaking Rob or fourth quarter. Good luck. That's a sick hit. That's a big card, too. Breaking Rob gets a black of Michael Brown Jr. Nice. 7 of 10. Nice Michael Brown on the black true for Breaking Rob. Not too shabby at all, Breaking Rob. I sees you. A little bit of damage on that nipple. It's a sick hit. It's a sick hit. Told you, Breaking Rob, it's a big spot. I love that. The NIL men's spot for what I priced it to is balls, as some of you would say. Oh, Bryson Tiller. I forgot we have one more auto. Pink paper of Herb Jones will be our last parallel. That was a really nice break, guys. Really, really, really nice break. No real thunder on that one for you, Brood. But honestly, that was the break you wanted to be in, no matter what. We had a lot of opportunity in there. Lots of great color. It's a fresh case of Hobby on number 34. Both that Hobby and that Jumbo Box are still crazy. The best part is, guys, we should still have I mean, again, we've seen a case without one, so I'm never going to say a guaranteed case hit, but should still have an SP in the Jumbos. We're halfway through that Jumbo case as well, and it's going to be a fresh case of... It's going to be a fresh case of... Hobby. Fresh case of Hobby next. Take your next ones, guys. Recap. Flag on the red rookie. Knipple. Michael Brown, true black for the NIL men's spot, 7 of 10. Knipple. Tiller, Kobe Brea, Dixon, Obrich. Orange of Aaliyah Crump for fourth quarter. And a purple color match of Ace Bailey as well. Really nice break for you, fourth quarter. Really nice comeback there. That was the break on Random Team 33, fourth quarter. I'll beat the sword on these four for you. The Knips, the Ace, and the Crump Orange. We'll beat the sword on those. Let's do your free Blez Online pack, guys. Really nice break. That was a really, really nice break. Oh, time for the 1 of 1. What's up, Bojar? I seen your, oh shit, did I not get back to you yesterday? I seen you text me. Good thing I told you it was slim to none yesterday. Let me text you back right now, too. I forgot to text you back. I remember I liked it. All right, let's do your Blez Online pack giveaways. All right. Here we go, guys. If you guys want to purchase your own Blez Online pack, if you guys do decide to, please use the code HAMA. You'll save 20% off your first purchase. Good luck, everybody. You guys got plans tonight, Bulljorg? Here we go. If it's not a grail, it does not ship. You'll get BlezBucks credits. I'm not sure if this is a grail or not. It's a nice card, not a grail. Unfortunately, it is a chase. It's Kate Cunningham on the red disco from Hybrid, number 49. It's a nice one for sure. $27 in BlezBucks for somebody that wins this one is going to be very nice. Dice roll going to be ace deuce or higher. We can do ace deuce. Good luck, guys. Somebody's getting 27 in BlezBucks. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3, 3, 3. I'm sorry, I went too much. I got to look at the video. Well, whoever won on the third random wins it. Can I go back? Damn it. Well, I'll go rewatch the video. Thank you, guys.